Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about ICD, CPT and the HCPCS. So what are those things in medical building? We will discuss in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So introduction is, so we are going to talk about some special codes that doctors use. So we are going to talk about some special codes. Special codes. Then doctors use, just like how we use numbers to solve math problems. Doctor uses codes to understand and solve health problems. So doctors use these codes to understand and solve health problems. So basically we are having three types of codes, which is ICD, CPT and HCPCS. So the first one, ICD. So what is ICD? International Classification of Diseases. For example, imagine you have a huge toy box. Imagine you have a huge toy box and with all kinds of toys. With all kinds of toys. You are having a toy box, and that toy box you will be having all kinds of toys. So each toy has a special place where it belongs. So for example, you have a box and you can place the each toy in the respective places. Like the first toy should be placed in first place only. The second toy should be placed in second place only. So like that, you'll be having some special place where it belongs. Likewise, ICD is like the toy box. So ICD is like the toy box. It's a box. So ICD likes a box. But instead of toys, it has codes. So instead of toys, it has codes. That's it. So ICD is a toy box. Instead of toys, you'll be having codes for all different sickness. For example, if someone has cold, the ICD has a special code for that. If someone has a tummy ache, there is a code for that too. It helps doctors quickly find out what's wrong and how to fix it. So I hope you understand. For example, I have a headache. So headache, you have to put in number one. So code number one. And you have a stomach ache. So you have to put it in number two. So like this, you will be having some ICD codes for different diseases. So you have to whenever you go, you will send the medical claim to the insurance department. You have to mention the respect to ICD codes before sending it to the insurance company in the claim form. Then only the insurance company will accept that claim form. And we are having some examples. ICD, International Classification of Diseases, International Classification of Diseases. For example, if you scrap your knee, the ICD has the code for the injury. It's like saying code 1 to 3 means scrap knee. So when the doctor writes down codes 1 to 3, everyone knows what happened. So which means, for example, your knee is scrapped. Your knee is scrapped. For example, your knee has some broken. So that broken thing has some ICD codes 1 to 3. So when the doctor writes code 1 to 3, everyone knows about what happened. For example, if your doctor wrote 1 to 3, so insurance company can understand 1 to 3 is a knee scrapping. So we have to give the claim to the patient. So this is how these ICD codes will help in the medical billing. And the medical billing. And CPT. What is CPT? Current procedure terminology. So now let's say you go to the restaurant. Let's say you go to the restaurant and see a menu with lots of amenities. Like if you go to the restaurant, you will be getting the menu, right? So you'll be having the list of dishes and you will be having a list of prices simultaneously. So each with a different number, each with a different number. The CPT is like that menu, but for doctors, it has codes for all the things doctors do to help you feel better, like a checkup or X-ray. Like a checkup or X-ray, each thing they do has its own number, so they can keep track all the ways they help you. They help you. So based upon the dishes, you will be having different number. For example, if you have different dishes like biryani, so it will be having cost of 200 rupees. Like this, like that only. For X-ray, you'll be having some CPT code, and for checkup, you'll be having some CPT code. So based upon that, you can specify in the claim form, and that claim will be accepted by the insurance company. So each thing they do has its own number, has its own number. So each thing doctor do will be having the own number. Like whatever the doctor give treatment to the patient, those things will be covered under CPT codes. So they can keep track of all the ways they help you. For example, CPT code, current version terminology, let's say doctor gave you a flu shot. For example, you got a flu and doctor give you the flu shot to you to cure that flu. The CPT code for flu shot might be code 456. The doctor uses code 456. The insurance company understand that you got a flu shot. I hope you understand. So the insurance company will understand. It will check the insurance claim, the claim having a code 456, which means it's a flu shot. So we have, if that patient covers the disease in the insurance claim, then the insurance claim will be accepted and the money will be sent to the doctor's office, which means hospital. And third one is HCPCS. HCPCS. So what is HCPCS? Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System. Sometimes you need more than just a doctor's visit. Sometimes you need more than just a doctor's visit to get better. To get better. Maybe you need a ride in an ambulance or a wheelchair. Maybe you need a ride in an ambulance or a wheelchair. HCPCS is another set of codes for those extra services. For those extra services that are aren't on the CPT menu. It's like having a bonus selection in the menu for special treats. I hope you understand. So what are the codes which are not there in the CPT and the ICD? So these HCPS, some special treatments will come under HCPS. What are the special commands? Sorry, so what are the special treatments like moving a patient on the ambulance or moving the patient on the wheelchair. So all these things will be considered as a service, right? So nurse will do all these things in the ambulance or the wheelchair. So all these things are come under service only. So these services will also be paid by the insurance only. So that services we will include in the claim form by using HCPCS codes. Healthcare Common Procedures Coding System. And if you need special socks, if you need special medical socks, HCPS has a code for that too. It could be code 789. This tells the insurance company that you got special socks for your health. So some people will wear socks, right, for effective blood circulation uh, in the knees, in the legs. So those things also come under HCPCS. So these codes will be come under HPS, we will write that codes in the claim form. The claim form will be accepted by the insurance company and claim will be settled to the doctor's office. So this is all about ICD, CPT and HCPCS. Conclusion. So ICD is for sickness. ICD is for sickness. And CPT is for doctor services. CPT is for doctor services. And HCP is for extra help. HCP is for extra help. For example, you got a dengue or if you got a malaria. So all this are ICT. And CPT is considered as doctor services like flu shots. Also, all these things will be considered under doctor services. And special services like wheelchair, ambulance, socks, and all this comes under HCPCS. All these codes make sure the doctors and nurses can take the best care of us and that they have all the information they need. It's like a secret language for health. For health. So with these codes, doctors can write down code 123 for a scrap knee, code 456 for a flu shot, and code 789 for medical shots. It's a quick way to share a lot of information with a few members. I hope you understand. These all are under comes under examples about HCPCS, CPT, and ICD. So I hope you understand what is ICD, CPT, and HCPCS. HCPCS. So if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.